Join me as I challenge myself to fill my whole house with amazing fragrance in just minutes using Aromadd's 3500 Sq.Ft Smart Scent Machine. I'm super excited to share with you how this little device can transform my entire living space. Imagine walking into a home that smells amazing every single day. That's what I'm looking forward to experiencing with this smart scent machine. We've all been there. You light some candles or use a plug-in air freshener, and at first, it smells great. But then, the scent either becomes overpowering or disappears altogether. I've tried traditional methods like diffusers and sprays, but they just don't cut it. Either they're too strong, or I have to remember to refill them all the time. And let's not forget about those pesky scented candles that can be a fire hazard if not monitored. Inconsistent scent distribution is another issue I've faced. You might get a strong scent in one room, but the rest of the house still smells stale. And have you ever noticed how some air fresheners can make your home smell like a chemical factory? Not exactly what I want to breathe in. The traditional methods just don't provide that consistent, pleasant aroma I'm looking for. They're often messy, require constant maintenance, or just don't work as promised. So, how does the Aromadd Smart Scent Machine work? It's actually pretty simple. You just fill it with your favorite fragrance oil, set it up, and let it do its magic. The device uses advanced technology to distribute a consistent, pleasant aroma throughout your home. It's got a sleek design, is super easy to use, and can be controlled remotely. One of the best features of this machine is its coverage area, up to 3,500 square feet. That means I can place it in one spot and trust that my entire home will smell amazing. The Aromadd Smart Scent Machine also comes with customizable settings, so I can adjust the intensity of the fragrance to my liking. The technology behind it is pretty cool too. It uses a combination of air circulation and scent diffusion to ensure a consistent aroma throughout my home. And with its smart features, I can even schedule when I want the machine to run. Setting it up was a breeze, and I love that I can choose from a variety of fragrances to find the perfect one for my home. Whether I'm in the mood for something relaxing or invigorating, there's a scent to match. Let's see this machine in action. I'm going to turn it on and show you just how quickly and effectively it transforms the scent of this room. I'll give you a before and after comparison, so you can see the difference for yourself. As you can see, the machine is working its magic. The room is starting to smell amazing, and it's only been a few minutes. I'm loving the subtle yet noticeable scent it's producing. The transformation is pretty impressive, right? The Aromadd Smart Scent Machine really delivers. I'll let it run for a bit longer to see how it continues to perform. So, what's the verdict? The Aromadd Smart Scent Machine definitely solves those common fragrance challenges I discussed earlier. It provides consistent, pleasant aromas throughout my home without being overpowering or high maintenance. If you're tired of dealing with traditional fragrance methods, I highly recommend giving this machine a try. And if you have any favorite home fragrances or questions, please comment below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on home enhancement tips for more ideas on how to upgrade your living space. 2025 upgraded 3500 Sq.Ft Smart Scent Machine, HVAC System, Whole House Aroma, and Hotel Collection Diffuser, Waterless Essential Oil Diffuser for Home, Office, 600 ml capacity, Cold Air Tech. Brand Aromadd. Color Black. Recommended uses for Product, Acrylic. Aromadd 2025 newly upgraded. The Aromadd Waterless Essential Oil Diffuser utilizes the latest cold air diffusion technology, combining cold filtered air and high-pressure air to fully atomize the essential oil into fine particles for efficient diffusion. It does not require heating or adding water, and can add fragrance to your environment within minutes, bringing high-quality aroma to the entire room. Let every corner be immersed in fragrance. The oil diffusers for home large room has an incredible coverage of 3,500 Sq.Ft with a capacity of 600 milliliters. The waterless essential oil diffuser can run for up to 120 days, eliminating the need for frequent oil refills. It can add fragrance to your entire home, office, spa center, or commercial space, making every corner smell and feel like a 5-star hotel. Personalized scent with Bluetooth app control. Our Smart Scent Air machine is an ideal choice for enhancing your scent experience. Through Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily customize multiple advanced schedules, including operating dates, specific times, mist intensity, working time, and rest time. Compared to ordinary essential oil diffusers on the market, it is smarter, clearer, and able to simplify your maintenance routine. Enjoy a customized scent journey to the fullest. Aromadd HVAC diffusers for every environment, whether as a standalone unit or wall-mounted. Aromadd diffusers are designed to seamlessly integrate with both new and existing HVAC systems, delivering an even and consistent fragrance throughout larger spaces. Perfect for homes and businesses, they ensure an immersive scent experience with maximum coverage and efficiency. Mess-free and noise-free, the Aromadd Essential Oil Diffuser is designed to leave no mess or residue in your room, unlike other cheap household scent diffusers. It features a silent atomizer that allows you to relax without any noise disruption. The Aromadd diffuser can be easily installed on any wall or floor, and its unique design allows for seamless connection with your HVAC system. Why choose Aromadd? The reason for choosing Aromadd is because we not only focus on product performance but also place great importance on scent experience. We are committed to creating the ideal atmosphere for every home and commercial space. Aromadd's Hotel Collection Diffuser uses advanced technology to transform scents into dry particles, allowing every breath to evoke beautiful memories and emotions. Aromadd's mission is to provide everyone with a 5-star hotel scent experience in their daily lives. Explanation: the new Scent Air machine for home does not contain essential oils. Product size: 9.3 L x 4 inches wide by 10.4 inches high. Product weight: 7.7 pounds. Material: acrylic. Special feature: Wi-Fi.